Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing request video, I'm going to be drawing Kirito from Sword Art Online. This was a request that was sent in by Shadab Gaming last week, so I hope you're happy with this one. It's a really cool character. I hadn't seen this character before Shadab Gaming, so thank you so much for putting me onto this. I decided to go with my Faber-Castell Pitt pen once I'd free-handed the line work in. This is a very fine line permanent marker that allows you to get some fantastic tapered ends, particularly down into the hairline. For the rest of the drawing, I used my copic markers, and I went through a yellowish shade for the skin. In the darker areas of the skin, I used the sand colour, which I'm particularly fond of using. I've used it quite a lot in my anime series that I've been drawing recently. It just gives lovely shadowed areas without it being too bold. I have used greys for shadowed areas on faces, but I think it gives a slightly more realistic look if we're going for something in the same family or the same type of colour as the majority of the face. I used the cool grey 1, 3 and 7 in the coat and the hair area, as well as some black in the darkest areas. I'm really enjoying these request videos, guys, so don't forget, if you have something you'd like me to draw, then don't forget, send me that down in the comments below. You can also hook up with me on social media. I'm on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I've been having some wicked conversations on there with you guys recently about various anime and manga drawings and series. My favourite character so far that I've drawn is Eren Yeager from Attack on Titan. So I'd love in the comments down below, who's your favourite anime or manga character? It can be from any of the series. Who's your favourite? Who do you really like? And have I drawn that character? If not, let me know in the comments down below, and I will get your video uploaded with a shout out as well. I'm doing daily videos, or as best as I can doing daily videos. It's pretty tricky sometimes, but it's really enjoyable. As you can see now, I'm putting the sand colour in the darker areas, and this just brings a little bit more definition and adds a sense of realism in shaded areas, which just makes certain areas of the clothing or the face stand out. All in all, this drawing took me about an hour and a half. Really enjoyed working on it. Don't forget, leave me that comment down below. Is there somebody you'd like me to draw, but who is your favourite character? Don't forget, hit me up on social media. I'd really love to know what you think of this drawing. And thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.